How to hire Colombians remotely without breaking labor law. Foreign companies love hiring Colombian talent, but here's the catch. If you don't structure it right, DIAN and the Labor Ministry may treat your contractor as an employee, with fines and back payments. Let's break it down. 1. Subordination equals risk. In Colombia, the real test is control. If you set fixed hours, they must go to an office, give direct orders, or monitor work step by step. The law can reclassify the relationship as employment no matter what your contract says. That's what courts look at first. 2. Service contracts plus invoicing. The safer setup is to work through a service contract. The worker registers a NIT, issues invoices, and pays their own health, pension, and taxes. This shows independence. But if subordination still exists, invoicing won't fully protect you. 3. Remote work law, Law 2121/2021. If the relationship is truly employment, Colombia has a remote work law. That means the company must provide tools, cover social security, and respect working hours, even if the employer is abroad. This doesn't block service contracts, but it shows how seriously Colombia regulates remote employment. Closing. So the golden rule is focus on autonomy and results, not constant control. That keeps the relationship in the contractor zone, not employee territory. Whole helps foreign companies set this up properly. $87 consultation, one call, peace of mind.